Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're all surviving through this week. I mean, in general, start of this week was very volatile, of course, and a lot of people got liquidated. I would say over the course of the week, there were actually some good opportunities. All right, some good opportunities to make some money. Not necessarily with Jasmy. It was a possibility, but Jasmy hasn't moved that much. Do I think that there's potential for Jasmy to move much? Yes, we'll talk about that in this video. I'll try to talk about everything you need to know, all right? And especially because of Bitcoin that's trying to break out here, I think Jasmy has a chance to move here, but the situation right now for Jasmy, which was also expected. I think in general, if you followed the updates over the last couple of days, you would have been prepared for this. In general, I would say Jasmy right now, even though if you look at the 4-hour time frame, we're technically in a downtrend, as you can see. And on the 1-hour time frame, we're actually more, well, no, on the 1-hour time frame, we're consolidating, because that's what I think we're doing. But we'll talk about what's possible from here, right? Because even like a consolidation, arguably, it's actually the best market structure, because from a consolidation you can get some big moves, and we've also seen that not only in the past week, but just in general throughout the last couple of months. But no, all right. If you look at Jasmy right now, purely technically, we made that bottom right here at 1.75 and 1.6 cents. My opinion on that bottom hasn't changed. All right, I think this is the bottom for now. Only if we get a very bearish fundamental event happening, who knows, all right, I won't speculate, but if something happens, then we can revisit lower than this. But for now, I would say this is the bottom for at least the short term / medium term in the future. But all right, so we reclaimed this level at 2 cents. That's our main support. That's also where we found strong support overnight. So far have rejected at 2.3 cents, where you have the trend coming down, but also the 382 fib and some sort of a level historically. So we are in between two strong key levels, which usually also is already an indication of consolidating. But then apart from that, outside of the technicals, what you can see from the order flow as well is that there is momentum here and there, right? So here and there you can actually see we have these big fluctuations. But overall, especially after the drop we had yesterday, the momentum, the CVD has been flat, which means that, you know, there's trading, but it's mostly like the amount of longs being opened is equal to the amount of shorts being opened and vice versa. All right, so that's the situation for now for Jasmy, basically that we're bouncing around in this area. Now, I do think that there are opportunities from here, all right? I don't think, like I said, only with something very bearish fundamentally, I think we will make a lower low and therefore break down below 2 cents and 1.9. So I don't think we'll do that. I don't expect a bearish breakout. What is a possibility though, and I think that's the most interesting thing to look at, is that right now, like on the 1-hour time frame, the main resistance level, I would actually say is around it's a bit of a difficult level, but there's a bit of a level here, as you can see, at like 2.25 cents. What I expect for now is that on the short term we're heading for that. If we can get a breakout above that, but this is scalping, right? This is not something I would take, but I think in general there's a bit of a magnet to 2.5 cents, right, which is a major resistance level. I don't think we'll break above that. I do expect us, even though I think in general we'll kind of stabilize here, I do think we can still get some sort of a move up to that level at least, all right? And then from there we'll reject and we'll stabilize again. But that would be like, if you're trading Jasmy, that would be the trade I'm looking for, all right? If we can get some sort of momentum again, like we saw yesterday morning, and we combine that with some sort of a breakout above 2.25 cents, that could be a good long order. But I would, first of all, wait for the breakout. And second of all, I would wait for the open interest to rally together with the breakout. All right. And then, like I said, this is basically what I expect. All right. So consolidation, move up potentially into 2.45 and 2.5, but I don't expect a breakout. All right. To break out above that level, we would need much more bullish market circumstances. And those are not here right now, all right? Even if we get the breakout here, I think it's going to be tough to do that. And if it does look likely that we'll do that, I'll keep you updated on that. But those are my thoughts for now. That's what I think you need to know about Jasmy. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.